Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your portfolio with Vanguard, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Vanguard website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in to your Vanguard account. Navigate to the investing section. Select Portfolio Management from the drop-down menu. Review the investment options available to you. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance. Choose the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual or joint account. Click on Open an account. Fill in the required personal and financial information. Make sure to enter your Social Security number for verification. Select your preferred investment strategy, whether it's active or passive. Review Vanguard's fund options and choose those that align with your goals. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes. Determine the amount of money you wish to invest. After selecting your investments, review your portfolio's asset allocation. Verify that your choices match your risk tolerance. Add any additional investment options if desired. Proceed to the funding section to add funds to your account. Link your bank account for transferring funds. Confirm the amount to be deposited into your Vanguard portfolio. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Click on Submit to complete your investment setup. Monitor your portfolio regularly through your Vanguard dashboard. Adjust your investments as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Keep an eye on market trends and make informed decisions. Consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay updated on Vanguard's resources and tools for long-term investment success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.